everyone, my name is Janaya and I'm a software engineer. Today's video is going to be about Udemy courses that I think are really helpful to become a software engineer or to increase your skill set as a software engineer. So if you're interested in learning more, be sure to keep watching. Before I jump into the video, I wanted to let everyone know thank you for all my new subscribers and for people that are engaging with my content. It really means a lot to me and it's really helping me grow my tech community. So if you enjoy anything dealing with tech, software engineering, or lifestyle, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go through it and watch some videos. Be sure to like and comment and let me know some things that you found interesting in a video or more content that you would like to see from me. So without further ado, I'll get into the courses that I think are really helpful if you're trying to become a software engineer. And you can get this all on Udemy, whether you have a regular Udemy account or you have a business account. These courses are available to you. Just as a disclaimer, these courses are not free. I did get them free through my organization. They offer Udemy training or Udemy courses free to all their employees. So just be mindful of that if you find any of these courses interesting. So I'm going to be looking down a little bit because I have the courses here listed on my phone. So let's get right into it. All right, and these are also not in any particular order. This is just a list of courses. So the first course is called the DevOps Essential, the Handbook. The next course is Cloud Computing for Beginners, Infrastructure as a Service, Git and GitHub, the Practical Guide, Docker for the Absolute Beginner, SDLC Overview, Software Development Lifecycle, Kubernetes for the Absolute Beginners, Snowflake Decoded, Master the Fundamental Concepts, Clean Code with Java, Learn Simple Design Refactoring, the Python Bible, everything you need to know about Python, Jenkins from Zero to Hero, Become a DevOps Jenkins Developer, the Complete 2024 Software Testing Bootcamp, Unit Testing for .NET, DevOps CI/CD, Continuous Integration and Delivery, Solid Principles, Introducing Software Architecture Principles. Alright, so those are courses that I've taken previously that were either required by me or required that I complete, or courses that I thought would be really interesting to dive into or that I thought would be helpful for my career. So I'm going to go a little bit more in depth on each of the courses, and I'm going to go through the description and show you guys what you can learn with each course. Just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. This is my opinion and my advice to those who are interested in becoming a software engineer. So the reason why I really like Udemy is because Udemy offers a variety of courses that are taught by experts in the field, and it's really convenient for finding resources that help with my individual needs or skill set needs. So I mainly use Udemy for programming, but if you're interested in design, business, or personal development, there's plenty of courses on Udemy that you can find that will be really helpful to enhance your skills at your own pace. Also, there's plenty of discounts and promotions that make Udemy cost efficient for those who have to purchase the courses that you're interested in learning. So take Udemy as a tool that can help you increase your skill set, master those foundational skills, and hopefully help you land a role in tech. First up, we have the Solid Principles, Introducing Software Architecture and Design. This course is designed to help you gain mastery over the solid principles and write clean code and well-designed code in your object-oriented languages such as Java, C++, and Python. So the big thing here is to learn how to write clean code and quality code. Knowing these principles can really help you throughout your entire software engineering career. Next, we have the DevOps CI/CD for beginners. This deals with their CI/CD pipeline. It helps you learn basic concepts and how to market yourself with CI/CD pipeline. It just helps you get introduced to DevOps. Next, we have unit testing for .NET. Now, this is only if you're working with legacy applications. So, if you're already a software engineer and your company has applications that use legacy code, this is most likely written in .NET. So, this course will help you learn how to test with that. Next, we have the Complete 2024 Software Testing Bootcamp. If you don't have any experience at all with software testing and want to learn some methods of software testing, this course is really good for you. You learn about bugs, testing bugs, and different techniques, and you can also preview the course. Next, we have Jenkins from Zero to Hero, Become a DevOps Jenkins Master. Jenkins is widely used in a lot of technical settings, so this gives you an understanding of what Jenkins is, how to integrate it with other things. Next, we have the Python Bible. This was a wonderful course to learning Python, and you're able to build 11 projects, which is really cool to see. You learn a lot about Python here, and you can create your own customized functions. So, this course is really fun. Check it out. Next, we have Clean Code with Java, and if you are choosing Java as your object-oriented programming language, then this course teaches you how to write clean code with Java and help you understand what refactoring is and much more. Also, it helps you learn about the principles of simple design, so check that one out. If you're interested in Snowflake Decoded, Master the Fundamental Concepts, this course gives you a guide as to what Snowflake is, helps you understand its architecture and how you can use Snowflake. Depending on which industry and your team is like, you may use Snowflake. Next, we have Kubernetes. Kubernetes and Docker kind of go hand in hand, and I found this course really helpful to just understand what Kubernetes is. You understand the fundamentals of it, and that is all for this one, and it's for beginners as well. If you don't pick up any course, please be sure to pick up this course. This is a software development lifecycle, no matter what role you're in. If you're working on a team that uses Agile, for example, this is very, very, very important. Next, we have Docker for the absolute beginner. This gives you an introduction to Docker. You can do some hands-on exercises here, and you also just understand like Docker Compose and Docker Swarm. And just as a guide, Docker can be used with AWS. GitHub and Git. This is really important. You really need to learn version control if you want to be a software engineer. So this is a good practice course here that teaches you different commands that you can do with Git. And last but not least, we have cloud computing for beginner, infrastructure as a service. This gives you a broad overview of cloud computing. If you're interested in learning more, I would advise you to take a look into courses dealing with AWS or Azure or whichever cloud computing resources you're interested in. But that's just an idea of, a broad overview of cloud computing that you can learn. So I almost forgot this one, the DevOps Essentials, the handbook. This gives you a solid understanding of DevOps practices and terminology. You can also preview the course if you're interested too. Bye.